स्टाइल मारने से कभी थकते नहीं, थके हुए रहते हैं, एकदम थके मांदे हारे हुए रहते हैं, फिर भी स्टाइल मारते हैं। और चलने में वो जो चाल है ना, हिरन की चाल। एंड इट्स कॉल्ड सुपर कैडबरी चाह। It's 2:45 a.m. and today is 24th January. We are in Ghoti. We are going to do only about 46 kilometers today. About only 46 kilometers is still sizable. So we'll be driving from here to the point where we had left yesterday, and from there on we're going to start walking. So it's a goodbye to Hotel Grand Parivar. A very nice stay. I thought of doing a room tour yesterday, but was so tired after coming back. Had to just prepare and then go to sleep. For the time being, I'm going to head to the car and start preparing for the walk. We're going to have something to eat, something like a protein laddu or a bar or a biscuit. Definitely drink something. Carry the sugar, salt, water solution with us and get ready for the walk. And of course, we're going to wear the torch because it's going to be really dark. Absolutely no chance of any street lighting. It's going to be slightly different also this time because we're going to try and walk together, because we're going to be walking through villages, the rural countryside completely. So we're going to try and walk together. We are also going to have the vehicle tag along fairly close to us. That's about it. I'm going to head to the vehicle and see you at the starting. It's very cold and we've been walking about a couple of hours now. It's very, very cold. So remember, if you're coming here during the winters, you need to carry something which will keep you warm. I'm wearing this jacket and I'm still feeling quite cold. I was feeling pleasantly cold yesterday using the same attire, so maybe a thicker jacket would do a world of good. That's the Anna Ganpati Kuber Dhanvantri Mandir. You'll be able to find this temple at around 12 to 15 kilometers, 12 to 14 kilometers from Ghoti Budruk. A lot of vehicular movement on this road all through the night. Good to see riders using this road and obviously going to Shirdi. Huge riding groups, super bikes, tourers. The revving sound in the dead of the night here is quite a feature. Quite beautiful. The two idols are. Looks quite artistic, quite magnificent. First rays of the sun that I've seen this morning falling upon us. A nice beautiful field behind there. And now the road and the mud path. It's 8:30 a.m. and we have walked about 12 kilometers. To tell you the truth, we took a nap. We're feeling very, very sleepy. We chose to take a short nap, but it didn't remain short. So we ended up having slept for about 1.5 hours. Never mind, at least we got our energy back. Hope to keep up this pace and keep up the activity of walking till about 11:30 at least, with equal intensity. सिर्फ चाय, नो वड़ा पाव। ब्रेकफास्ट कुछ तो चाहिए, प्रबंध करो। अजिंक्य जी, हमारे पायलट वाहन के चालक, ही इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर कीपिंग अस फेड, हाइड्रेटेड एंड ऑल्सो रेस्टेड. So he arranges the food, he arranges all the water needs that we have and juice needs that we have and Glucon-D needs that we have and chai needs that we have. Food, apart from ensuring that we get a place to stay in the night. Sleep well, take rest. Thank you buddy, you've been indispensable. Thank you so much. और हमारे शिबू साहब इंस्टाग्रामर, स्टाइल मारने से कभी थकते नहीं, थके हुए रहते हैं, एकदम थके मांदे हारे हुए रहते हैं, फिर भी स्टाइल मारते हैं। और चलने में वो जो चाल है ना, हिरन की चाल। ये आ रहे हैं हमारे सुरेश भाई, नमस्कार। और ये आ रहे हैं हमारे Vikas bhai, good morning. We have done 13 kilometers, 13.5 kilometers till now. So चाय लेते हैं यहाँ पे और खाने के लिए तो कुछ है नहीं, आगे देखेंगे वड़ा पाव वगैरह कुछ खा लेंगे. Aerated drinks. This tea had cinnamon in it and had a special flavor. Very, very nice, very tasty. Looks like this is the family that runs this tin shack. Quite nice. And it's called Super Cadbury Chaha. With the morning cold gone, we all changed into something light. The glares are on. The tracks are off. Light pants. Suresh and Vikas are wearing shorts. So it's time to try and mitigate the heat now. We had tea in a place called Dhamangao, and so we are crossing Dhamangao now. It's almost 10 o'clock. We should have done about 15 kilometers till now. The sun is beginning to get hot. We hope to keep walking till about 12. And then we'll take a break wherever we can find shade till about 3:30, and then do another 4 hours of walking from that point on time to complete the stipulated 48 kilometers for the day. That's SMBT Medical College and Research Center, right at the back of the frame there. That's SMBT. This facility is huge, it's big. Even from the standards of cities, it is bigger. From cities like Mumbai, from cities like Thane, Navi Mumbai. So SMBT Medical Research and Center, guys, 23 kilometers from Ghoti Budruk. This place is called Bharveer Khurd. SMBT on the left. Stretches far inside, so definitely super specialty. Even over there, who runs it, I have no connection at all. I am just merely trying to be a source of information for people who will be traveling on this road, to keep in mind that there's a quality medical center available in case need arises.